say welcome to our kindergartens on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Welcome! This is our class of new kindergartners here at Lincoln, so we are so excited to have you. Nice, bright, shiny faces. Can you raise your hand if you are also first, second, third, fourth, or fifth grade new to Lincoln? This is your first year here. We have a couple. On the count of three, everyone, let's welcome them. 1, 2, 3. Welcome! We're so excited to have you here, and we hope that you have a great time here in whatever grade you're starting in and matriculating through to fifth grade.